when a shopping cart smashed my headlight. We worried we'd have to...
Okay, what's good, boys? Starting a bit late today. I had to take care of business, but alright, let's check out the news for the day. What do we got going on? Okay, 9 a.m. we had a pending home sales, and that's less than the forecast. We had unemployment claims, it decreased. That's a good sign, but the market, it'll do whatever, you know. So besides that, what else do we have? FOMC member, good trades balance, seems to be down. Prelim wholesale inventories. Okay. Alright, so it looks like we don't have too much news. So, yeah. We don't really have too much news. Let me go here real quick. Just gonna sign in. All right. Alright, so it's looking like we've got some support being created to push higher high maybe, but let's see how it goes. I need to be honest. Okay. Go here. Let's do some trend lines. Pretty sure it's this one, right? Let me see. So I'm gonna create my trend line. I want to say it's this. Yeah. Yeah, that would be the opening, because it would be from 30 down to there. Alright, the market looks like it's a bit of a mess. Look at it. Could be a rejection, a support there. You're not really know. You got view up here. It's being rejected. All sorts of stuff is happening. I'm doing the same stuff over here on my desktop. So I can get the same analysis looking across the board. What the heck? Why does it keep not saving? Keep it simple. I'm gonna work my way back down. So let's do it on here. Oh, we're gonna see the 4 hour. Okay, what is it looking like? It's looking like found support here, found another support here, and it looks like it could find another support and break through this indicators. All these indicators, those are pivot points. Got the 21 EMA, we got the 11 EMA, 21, and VWAP. So it's right now it's in the process of breaking VWAP and the 11 EMA. Right? I think it's 11, or it might be. No, it's the 50. My bad. So on the 4 hour, this is the 50, 200, and VWAP. So overall, it looks bullish. And if we look back, we're gonna see some support here. I'm gonna go here, create another structure. Doing it right, you know. I'm also seeing a rejection area up here, so I'm gonna create another one up here. So we're kind of in this range right here. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Okay. Let me zoom in. On the 1 hour, we're also below VWAP. So that's interesting. So on the 1 hour, it closed below the VWAP, the 21 and the 11. So that's interesting. Below, but I think we might be seeing a bullish move now to the upside. Possibly, maybe. On the 15, we're looking to break above this 15-minute range, 15-minute opening range, ORB. Yeah, so let's see how that goes. On the 5, we look really bullish, but we do have resistance up here. I'm just gonna do this. Yeah. So what? 80s. That's a 40-point move. Get in at the right time, but this candle seems very weak.
At the University of Arizona Global Campus, we are proud to offer over 50 career-focused online programs to a fierce community of wildcats from around the globe. Proud
it looks like it wants to dip lower.
Learn more at uagc.edu.
Very wiki. Like, not a lot of wicks here though. It's not too bad, but it's not great down here. We got a new 15, a new 30, a new 5 about to be created. So gotta be aware. Look at that, bro. Like, it's kind of playing games, bro. Look at all this wick. Like, it came back. This is on the 5, and this is unnecessary. Making unnecessary moves. Like, it's above, but like making lower lows. I mean lower highs. I mean, what is it gonna do here? fucking knows, it could come back down here. It's all a bit everywhere. I guess that would have been a good take, but it's like, it's already making lower lows. Why get in there? Now the question is, where is the next pivot point area? So pushing up here to the 5,000, 25,000. Probably the next area of okay, what are we gonna do here? I get in here, it comes down here, the 90s, it's gonna liquidate me. So my entry has to be really good. Okay. That's a bit positive. I just kind of want to see a bit of more of a sell, a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to take that. Not brilliant. That's where I would have preferred to have gotten in at. But what can you do? I was wrong on this one. I'm just gonna get out. Oh, that was a good take. It was just, I got in too early. I thought it was just gonna keep going from up here, but I was mistaken. Because if I got in here, down here, I would have been a $600, $700 play. Alright, I mean, first trade, still positive. $75. I'm happy with that. Could I do better? Absolutely.
Of your data is unusable by AI. That's a lot of missed opportunity. Highland makes enterprise content and unstructured data agentic AI ready, secure, and actionable. Highland, turn insights into impact.
We heard you. 9 years of Bring Back the Snack Wrap, and you've won.
I'm thinking about entering again. So I might just wait. Oh boy. Might come down here. I don't know. I'm seeing somewhat of a rejection up here. Seems like a lot of wicking. I mean, but also it has support from here. Could go higher. Yeah, it's a 20. Yeah, mean, that would have been a banger if I just entered a bit lower. I got in at like the 20s. Okay. It's above the 15-minute opening range. It's created some support here. I'm just curious, will it dip back down here? Something like down here and then go higher? You know? I don't know. Or is it, just gonna create this and then go higher? Previous 5 closed as previous 5 is red. But the 15 was really strong, so we can see I'll pull back down here. I was gonna short it from up there, but it's like I shorted from here, trying to go down here. But I don't want to short. That's not how I do things. Smart way of trading. I want to stick with the momentum. The momentum is bullish. I want to take bullish trades, bullish setups. That's it. Oh boy. But it's a beautiful day. Like if this structure was below all these indicators, then I would be bearish. And I would be confident in taking that trade. But because it's above it on the 2, it's above it on the 5, it's above it on the 15, and it's trying to get there on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Like, who am I to just freaking guess? I don't need to guess. I need to do. Like, I don't care if it does go bearish. It doesn't matter to me. I gotta stick to the fundamentals. Yeah, maybe I would have been right. Yeah, sure, if I shorted from up here, down here, sure, I would have been right. This one time. But if I keep doing it, I could be wrong 1,000 times. Instead of just not taking that trade and doing the right thing, which is sticking with momentum. We got a new 5 coming up. Alright, we got a new 5. Okay, to be fair, now though, look at this. Now we're very bearish. All these red candles. Maybe a retest down here to the 890 or 880 back to this opening range. There's a possibility. I think we could go down here. Creating lower low, lower highs. Yep. But the thing is here, it's like, yeah, sure, could have been right. But the other times where it just continues to go higher, when it's bullish, it's more likely it will just stay bullish. Like probability-wise and based on experience, it would have just kept going bullish. So it's like, what's the point in being right one time but being wrong 1,000 times? Because I've been wrong 1,000 times to get to this mentality where I'm like, nah, I don't want to mess with that. Now I'm more bearish. I'm gonna wait for the next 5-minute candle to create a structure. I'm gonna let this one close out, and then I'll decide where I am. But right now we're on the 2-minute time frame. It's bearish. On the 5, it's fighting to stay up above the VWAP and the 21 EMA. So. On the 15, we fully retested and we're halfway reclaimed all the previous 50-minute green candle. So, yeah. But like in between, we're trying to break above the 15-minute structure. ORB. So we created lower highs, just worked our way down. This 5-minute candle is about to close in 10 seconds, this one, so let's see where it closes. Alright, it closed fully below. Now the only thing is, will this new 5-minute candle push all the way up here? Like, will it close above here and then create a retest and go higher, or just retest and keep coming down? Seems very heavy on the sell, if you ask me. Oh, okay, I'm thinking. I'm gonna take that. No, I'm tripping. I'm bearish right now, just based on how it closed previously. So that's why, and it also closed below here, so that's my other reason. Closed below right there. What else? The fact that the 5 closed below as well, fully below here, is another reason. Another thing I like is I waited. I was just patient for it to fully retest all the way up there before I entered. I think we could see a flip here. We want to see a full-on flip. Yeah, I'm happy that I waited though. That was probably my best trait in this whole. Only thing here is kind of wanted to flip here. I don't want that to be a support for it. I'm just gonna bring it down here, maybe. No way. You're telling me it's going higher? That's crazy. Okay, I'm getting out. That's crazy. That's absolutely nuts. I don't see how that was. Like, it closed below. If it closed above it, sure, but it closed below it. Alright. 2 trades in. I think I'm down like 100. 200, okay. Crap happens. Yeah, I also closed it because we have a new hourly candle being created. And yeah, it's above. What was the chances there, bro? Like, this candle faked me out. Look at it. It went all the way down. It broke below. It closed below. And it decided to keep pushing higher. What the heck? That's insane. Alright, well, I felt like I took the right trade. I wasn't mad at it. The fact that it went, the fact that I got that really good entry was good, was positive. The only thing is, it just never flipped. It never went red at no point. It's like, okay. So now we gotta wait for a new pullback. And now it's just created a higher high. It's created a higher low here. Boom, boom. So I'm hoping for an entry somewhere here at the 900s. I got some stuff to do, man. Oh, this bastard, look at it. This is a bit of a morning star looking candle. I'm not entirely convinced it's gonna push higher, but it could. Alright, on the 5 minute, man, I feel a bit cold. On the 5 minute, it just retested the VWAP and the 21 EMA. Right there, retesting. So, let's see what it does here. Yeah, I'm kind of cold physically. Looks like we've created this resistance, like higher, low, higher, low. We have a new 5 seconds. What do we do? Higher. Man, we're just trading this fucking box right now. This is crazy. We're just in this darn box. It's just consolidating, moving fucking sideways. We're just in this box. So it's just fucking with us. I'm not fucking taking that, bro. Like, I thought about going bullish because of the opening range high and VWAP because it closed above it. I thought this move right here, this was gonna happen right here. That's what I was assuming. Oh my goodness, it's fucking selling out. Well, hopefully somebody's winning. Hopefully somebody's winning. Hopefully somebody got in at the right time. Because me, I'm not finding, not yet at least. And this is like a tricky area. You don't want to short here. If anything, you want to short up here. It's already pretty low down here, so if you short here, you would be risking yourself all this space right here. That's real estate for it to go back up. You don't really want to do that. That's real estate I can't afford. But we want our real estate to be like something better like that, closer. Absolutely cooking. All right, we have a new hourly candle. No, not an hourly candle. A new 5 and a new 2 being created here in about 10 seconds. So let's see how this 5 closes. Close green. I'm actually not sure where he's gonna go. Boom, look at that. Okay. Maybe I got in a bit late, but just gonna take this trade. This seems bearish to me because this candle closed below. It's below the VWAP 15. Yeah, I think I got in a bit late. That's been my problem. Just entering late. It's gonna hit my stop loss, but we accept that because that's part of the process. Okay. let me guess, this new 2 is gonna pull down here and then push higher. Alright, we got a new 5. Got a new 15. Well, I didn't really want to look at this, but I think it's important that I see where I'm at. 3K, 850. That's not good. This is not a good trade for me, but I see all this rejection up here and I wanted to take it. Very well today for me. I gotta take a deep breath, man.
Muscle is why 30.
Took three losing trades and didn't learn a thing. Like, what? That's ridiculous. Tragic shit that was. Just absolutely tragic. This is a good area. I just want to see what time. What time does it say? $58. It's just like, how did I go so wrong? Yes, so these things do happen. That is true. These things do unfortunately happen. They happen. It sucks that they happen. Alright, I'm gonna take one more trade. See where that goes. I'm taking this trade to the upside. No, I was concerned in the fact that it just Oh, this fucking blows. This fucking blows big time. I've been so wrong. It's unbelievable. I've been so fucking wrong. It's like it knows I'm down there. It's ridiculous. It's gonna wipe me out. No, this account is a fucking goner. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna bring it back. And if it sells, it's gonna sell even lower. No, that's not. I don't know. I think in these when this type of development happens, I have to go micros. I don't know how else I'm gonna fucking not get chopped up. It's just buying and selling, buying and selling. It's just going up and down. That's all it's fucking doing. It's unreal. Yeah, this is fucking stupid as it gets. Now I'm like unsure. I don't even know how to trade anymore, I guess. It's like I'm questioning myself. It sucks. Okay, well, I tried, folks. I'm gonna try to find another area of entry, but yeah, I think that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. It's JB. Peace.